Hey y'all, welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. Today we're making barbecue ribs. In this video we will show you how to remove the membrane, get the ribs ready to cook, how to season the ribs, and also how to mix up your barbecue sauce. So let's get started. This is the membrane you want to be taking off. When you take it off, your ribs will be more tender. The barbecue sauce and the seasoning can penetrate your meat better. Right here, Travis is starting to remove the membrane. You just ease your finger under there and lift up, hold the other part of the ribs down and pull up on it, and it comes off that easy. And taking that off will make your ribs that more tender, and the sauces and the seasonings can penetrate your meat better. And also the smoke from the smoker. Now that we've got that off, we're going to go ahead now and get it ready to start seasoning up. First, you want to pat them dry. With just a paper towel. And then we're using this seasoning right here, Byron's Butt Rub. Makes your ribs better than any seasoning you can try. And don't be shy on the seasonings. You want to cover it good. Coat on both sides. Coat this side real good. And now that you've tucked that membrane off, all your seasonings can get down in there. All right, now you got this side done. So now we're going to flip it over and season the other side. Cover it good with that Byron's Butt Rub. And once you get your ribs the way you want them, now we're going to use this heavy-duty aluminum foil. And you need a pretty good long piece, about probably 3 foot long. You're going to lay your ribs in it. And once you get it the way you want it, you're going to fold it over. And that's why you need a real big piece. That way you'll have a lot of extra so it won't have any air pockets. When you put it on the smoker, you want it good airtight. You don't want any holes in your aluminum foil. You want to be able to crease it down real good so you can put it on the smoker and just let it smoke. But fold that aluminum foil real good. This is how Travis does it. Make sure you have no air pockets. And now we're going to make our barbecue sauce. 4 18-ounce bottles of, let me see the brand. The cheapest.
Original Kraft barbecue sauce. When you get all of it, when you get it out as much as you can, just stop and put you about a half a cup of water in it. Put the lid back on it. Shake it up good. It gets all the barbecue sauce out of it. Need to do that 4 times. Two tablespoons of black pepper. vinegar with mother in it. Apple cider vinegar with mother. With the mother. And put you a half a cup of that in it. And that's it. Stir it up good.
It smells good. You gonna taste of it and see if it's if it's what you want?
I know it's what I want. I've been doing this for 20 years. Now that vinegar will help it soak into the meat. And that pepper will take away some of the sweet and the barbecue sauce, but you'll still be able to taste the sweet.
And that's the mop.
Then you got to find you a good mop that you like. This is my favorite. You got to get it in there and you got to get it soaking good.
Before you even start putting it on the meat, let it start soaking up the barbecue sauce. So it'll be easy to drench the ribs with it.
Now that mop's ready to go. When you get your ribs laid down, that mop right there will douche them good.
Are they any good?
Vegans gotta be out of their mind. They don't get that. Oh, they good. Oh, they good.
You want one, Bonnie?